The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 is a bold leap forward in American sports car engineering, combining aggressive styling, cutting-edge technology, and breathtaking performance. This new iteration of the ZR1 continues the legacy of pushing the limits, and it's set to be the most powerful Corvette ever built. From its roaring engine to its finely crafted cabin, the 2026 ZR1 is engineered for both track dominance and street presence. The exterior design is instantly eye-catching, with every detail serving a purpose. The ZR1 features an even more aggressive body compared to the Z06, with a wider stance, enlarged front air intakes, and a massive rear wing that's both functional and visually dramatic. The front splitter, side skirts, and rear diffuser are all made from carbon fiber to reduce weight and increase downforce. The hood features a central bulge, hinting at the supercharged beast underneath. LED headlights are sharp and angular, complementing the aerodynamic silhouette of the car. The overall look screams performance and precision, and it's clear that Chevrolet has focused heavily on aerodynamics and cooling with this design. The new ZR1 also offers a range of vibrant color options and carbon fiber packages, appealing to buyers who want to stand out even more. Inside, the 2026 Corvette ZR1 brings a level of refinement that matches its performance. The cockpit is clearly driver-focused, with a low-slung fighter jet-inspired layout. Premium materials such as leather, Alcantara, and real carbon fiber line the interior. The flat-bottom steering wheel feels substantial in hand and features integrated controls and paddle shifters. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and customizable, displaying performance metrics like G-forces, boost pressure, and lap times. The central infotainment system is a large touchscreen with Chevrolet's latest interface, supporting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice controls. Bucket seats provide excellent bolstering for high-speed maneuvers, yet they're comfortable enough for daily use. Dual-zone climate control, a premium Bose sound system, and wireless charging are also included, making the ZR1 surprisingly livable for such a high-performance machine. When it comes to performance, the 2026 ZR1 is nothing short of a monster. It is rumored to be powered by a twin-turbocharged version of the 5.5-liter flat-plane crank V8 engine, known as the LT7, producing upwards of 850 horsepower. This makes it the most powerful Corvette in history. Power is sent to the rear wheels through an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, delivering lightning-fast shifts, with a 0 to 60 time projected to be under 2.5 seconds, and a top speed well over 200 mph. The ZR1 is in supercar territory. A sophisticated suspension setup, magnetic ride control, and massive carbon ceramic brakes ensure that the car handles corners with razor-sharp precision. Chevrolet has also equipped the ZR1 with advanced cooling systems to handle track days without missing a beat. Whether you're tearing up the track or cruising on the highway, the ZR1 delivers a thrilling, confident driving experience. As for pricing, the 2026 Corvette ZR1 is expected to start around $150,000, though the final price will depend on options and packages. This price point puts it in direct competition with European exotics, like the Porsche 911 Turbo S and the McLaren Artura, but with a distinctly American flavor and arguably better value for performance. For those wanting even more exclusivity, there will likely be special editions or track-focused trims that push the price even higher. Overall, the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 represents the pinnacle of Corvette performance and innovation. With its jaw-dropping looks, meticulously crafted interior, and outrageous power, it's a true halo car for the Chevrolet brand. Whether you're a longtime Corvette enthusiast or new to the nameplate, the ZR1 promises an unforgettable driving experience and a bold statement on the road and track.